expecting your videos right now. Everything, the link for the Congress I've shared with them yesterday, they all joined already. And this is my humble self. Now, how did we become leaders? I didn't meet any of these guys at all until March this year. How did we connect? The chair, Engineer Raphael Onyoshapo, who might still join us later, told me about IEEE site and brought this t-shirt for me last year, July. Asked me to write a proposal. So I'm trying to enlighten you how to also do likewise. And you have to also list it out as you have established your student branch. You have a petition list that must be IEEE members. You see, IEEE keeps its members jealously for one purpose, to sustain their membership and to sustain the technology that they are aware of, and then for them to add value wherever they are based. So, and that is why Martins and Jomatogo, they are here, because of us. And so, we met because we were able to establish site groups in our sections. So, as every other future trends of the IEEE, you must attach it to a student branch or a section. And so, through the help of the Nigerian NESCO's approval, I was able to establish IEEE Nigeria site July last year. And then I was able to propose 4 projects that I will give details on. And so these are the leaders in each of the countries. Next, so I work directly with Amit. This presentation was completed with Amit together, and I am the communications lead for IEEE site region 8. So we work subcommittee under Alex. So Alex divided us into different various subcommittees so that we can make the work easier. Yes, go on. Our achievements have been forming and revising strategies to increase awareness within Region 8. We developed the concise market approach. A market approach is just like what Mohammed said yesterday. Entrepreneurship means risk-taking. So you should stay in business based on how much risk you can take. So there is no white elephant project anymore. IEEE site says we give you $1, you finish the project in 1 year, and you hand over the business documentation. So conflict of interest is already out of the way, because even though we are entrepreneurs, you are not authorized to use your own company to drive the business operations of the IEEE projects, which is site, in any way. So we examine the opportunities within the region and propose strategy for exploitation. So we will look for members that are not ESCOs, okay? Members that are entrepreneurs of the IEEE that have companies, like our sponsors, like what John said, then engage them. The conflict of interest in the IEEE is you cannot be an ESCO and drive the financial operations of any organized unit. Simple. But if you want IEEE to engage you, like Cisco or Microsoft or Phase 3, then you step down from being an ESCO. Martins, am I right? So conflict of interest is taken seriously in IEEE, as well as patency and intellectual property. Okay? So all these make up the market outline business we engaged on for the whole region, and we were able to complete this year. Special communication channel for collaboration, I was in charge of that. We sent out regular details reminding all the countries and sections in Region 8, Europe, Middle East, and Africa to submit proposals or petitions for the sake of joining the IEEE site. And then, this is new, we collaborate with the Young Professionals Committee. This is our first time in Africa we're doing this officially. But in other regions, we've been invited, like in Sydney, Dinko, that you saw his face, go back to the previous slide. Dinko was actually sponsored to Sydney, not as IEEE site, and not to support IEEE site, but as IEEE YP, Global Volunteer. And that's where he was. That's where he performed his role. So we always reuse our volunteers as the leader chooses. And Labour was here, not for IEEE site, but for IEEE WIE, Women in Engineering. Okay? So we have active LinkedIn and Facebook groups. So, next slide. The opportunities in IEEE site, everything about IEEE is actually online. You know, in my growing years, I discovered that aside my family, IEEE added more value to who I am, and not my qualifications, and not even experience. It is when I get to the midst of IEEE, they now ask, oh, what do you do? What's your qualification? And I say, oh yes, I actually remember I have a master's in communication. But the first thing IEEE wants to do is passion that drives your volunteering services. And can you do it? So the spirit of I can actually is what gives you the platform to offer everything that you think you can do for the IEEE. Tomorrow, you can see Martins becoming the IEEE Global President is because he has discovered that the resources around him and his passion is actually to take over there and make a reasonable change. Tomorrow, you can see John Matongo in charge of Africa. Tomorrow, you can see, have you been the section chair for Kenya? Okay. 2015, he was the section chair. So all this our WIE chair, he was the treasurer in the Nigerian section. So all these positions are not permanent. Okay? And that is where IEEE is. They are just to advance you to have a plan. And like I said, I have always had good plans about myself simply because I am a member of IEEE. Okay? We must encourage, endorse, and sponsor IEEE projects for you to bring light to your village that is unserved. This opportunity. It's not the government of the country that will do it for you. IEEE is ready to offer that for you. And these are the toolkits for information and resources. And this is how we all can add value. Next slide. Conclusion. You want to make a change? 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 Don't hesitate to contact us. When you send this email to site@IEEE-region8.org, it goes to all the team members directly. For more inquiries, I discuss with my team. They will be online for all. Please kindly let me pass the piece of paper around for attendance. For everyone that puts down is, you see, there is a difference between living and living digitally. You can actually be alive and be 300 years old. If you don't have an email address and a mobile number, you never came to this world. So, we promote more online activities to make life easier for the way we communicate and we deploy technology. So, we have scheduled this for you, that you are here in this workshop. You join us 2 to 2:35 Nigerian time, or you program it. Just put this down in your diary. Details will be shared via email that you put down on the paper. Then we can participate to add value in everything we do. Yes, next slide. I think that's... I have my young guy here saying thank you. And this is a group of people that came to me to entertain us yesterday. By the way, Martin, did you enjoy your dance? You should be able to repeat it now. So everybody is saying thank you, and those are the guys waiting for you to also say thank you. And I want to thank you for listening today.